Here's how to share a post on your story on Instagram. So to share a post to a story, as you're scrolling through your feed, you might find someone like Jeremy Mira here, great designer and YouTuber. And it used to be in the three dots right here, but if you click that, it'll show you that they've moved things. They've moved them to this little paper airplane icon. So right below every post is going to be this little paper airplane icon. Now some people do it, they click a setting that says that their post can't be shared. So you may encounter that for some posts. But if we click on this little icon, we can send it to someone or a different, different app, or copy the link, add it to our story is right there. You also have share to right there. So we click add to story, and then we can add this post to our story. If we tap, we can do kind of more with it. We can show who it's from, like it actually looks like a post, or we can keep it simple like this. There's multiple, this is a carousel as well, but you can share that and then people can click through this. And you can move it around and do whatever you want with this, add whatever you want for the story, but basically then you click your story down here in the lower left, and that will add that post to your story here on Instagram. And that's how you can add posts to stories. Just click that little paper airplane icon and you'll be able to do that pretty quick and easily.